Hey everyone, and welcome back to the ARKA 360 VIP training experience. Today, what we are going to go over is we are going to talk about how to put panels on the house. We're also going to talk about placing our hardware, so the power patio, power gazebo, different sizing techniques, and everything like that. So what we want to do first, I showed you how to build our 3D model. So now what we want to do, and a little note here, this is only if you are a subscriber to ARKA 360. If you are just a VIP, you do not have access to this. So if you're interested in this, click the link below. We can set you up on a plan and you'll be able to place panels on the home. If you are only a VIP, you only have to pay attention to the part of drawing the 3D roof, which is in a previous video, as well as placing the hardware, which I'll also show you how to do. So what we want to do first is we want to pick that part of the house that has the best sunlight. So what we want to do is we want to save this. So this is our image that we drew. We saved it. Now we can pull up these tools. So now we can look at the irradiance map. This is going to show us the most populated sun areas versus the least. So as you can see, this house already has solar. This is actually my house. So we can see here that we got a good sunlight here, and good sunlight over here. So we can also look up the solar access. So this is going to show us good parts and bad parts. When we place the panels, you'll be able to see that. So let's hide both those. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to double click the roof plane. So as you can see when we clicked it, there's this blue line here. Now this is for the AHJ, so this is the fire code. So what we can do is we just click fill face. Now what this is going to do is this is going to pull up panels. So whatever panel you want, whatever manufacturer, whatever hardware you need, doesn't matter to us, you just let us know. We'll put in here. You can have your favorite sections here. So I just put the Q cells in here. This gives us all of our subarrays that we have, landscape, portrait, what kind of mount it is if we want to do. So this is east facing, so let's do east-west racking. And we'll pick the panels again. Let's do landscape. We can adjust all of this information in here. Update. So because it didn't work on this rooftop, it gave us that warning. So now what we just do here is fill face. It's nice to know that it will get you. Update. There we go. And now if we look at 3D, boom, there is our segment on the rooftop, right? There it is. So if we wanted to add more, we just do the same thing on a different segment of roof. If we wanted to add a singular panel, we go into module, add table, and it will give us just an individual panel. We can place it wherever. If it's good, it'll be blue. If it's bad, it'll be red. You can see that it doesn't fit in those areas. So let's just place this one here. There we go. Okay. Now, if we wanted to delete it, we would just highlight it and either backspace on our keyboard or you saw the delete button. Same goes for here. You can highlight multiple. So you can highlight multiple, delete them that way. If you wanted to get into an individual one, give you that information here. If you wanted to get into the subarray, you can get that and it'll highlight the whole information for you. Now, if you're done, you say, okay, great, that's the number of panels we wanted on the rooftop. Now I wanted to add a power gazebo or a power patio. What you can do is you can click power modules here. Let's say you wanted to do a power gazebo as a carport. You can place it here. Now, as you can see, it's tilted. It may not look exactly how you wanted it to be, but you can just place it, click the check mark. You can click it again, it'll highlight blue, and now we can actually adjust it where we want to, right? So let's say this guy wanted to use this as a carport. We'll put it right there, hit 33. Not only will it show it in 3D here, but it'll also show the panels. Now, our new feature, the Power Patio, is a little bit different. So again, we click Power Modules, Power Patio. You can see that there's hotkeys. There's G and Shift G. And you can see when we click that, it brings us to this screen. And this shows us all of the flat facing areas on our rooftop that we can place it. So let's say we wanted to place it here. but you can see that we can't place it because it's too small. So what if we place it over here? Okay, there we go, complete. So now we can see the power patio and the power gazebo. Now let's say that you are like, well, I want them to be a little bit bigger. You just highlight it, so double click it, and it will show you the patio type here. You can make it bigger, update, and it'll accentuate the size. Same over here, bigger, and you do the same thing once you get that feature. So once you have it the size that you want, you can then do so. So click save, saving the features here. Let's say we want to delete that. Let's say this is good. We want to see the bigger models. We can do that here. We can also change what type of inverter this has. And then from there, you can do anything else. So in the next video, we're going to talk about placing inverters, stringing inverters, and a couple other features in the design tool. So hope this helps. If you have any other questions, please reach out. Thanks so much. And again, click the link below if you want to schedule a one-on-one demo. Thanks.